What's up guys, my name is Aakarsh and I'm with
Akshita.
And today we're gonna celebrate Diwali again! But this time with more crackers and more fun, not just a toy gun. But anyways, we're gonna celebrate Diwali in the nighttime because, you know, it's more visible and more fun. You probably can't see my face, but it's whatever. You gotta see the crackers, not my face though. So, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Before we begin, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you're liking the content that I'm making. And also subscribe to my other channel, Aakarsh Gaming. I'm put a link in the description down below. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Guys, it is the night time, and guess what time it is? It's time for celebrating
Diwali!
Let's go. Oh, there we go. Woo! Oh.
Aakarsh is doing it. Oh, Aakarsh, you can do it.
Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go. Woo! Let's go. Sparkles. Woo! Yeah, look at her. Woo! We're Doctor Strange, boys. We come Doctor Strange. It turns red and green and everything. Mine is lasting so long. Oh, now it's red. Oh, 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 crazy. Time to get to the road. Oh, my goodness. Whoa!
How did the fight?
There he goes! Oh my goodness! Whoa! There we go! Oh, there we go! It's spinning! What? What was that? Oh, look at this! Sparkles in front of my hands! Whoa! Oh my! Whoa! Oh, it's spinning again! Oh, it's spinning! Oh my! Whoa! Oh! There we go! That's the boy! Woo! Oh, there we go! Oh, there we go! Oh! Oh, spinning again! Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Flatbot is coming in! Whoa! Oh my! Oh! Spinning! Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh, another flatbot right here! Oh, flower pots! Oh! Oh my! Magnificent! Oh, another one! Oh! Wow! So that is it for the Diwali celebration. Hope you guys liked the fireworks, the crackers, all the stuff. It was not just a toy gun. Last time I just showed you guys a toy gun because that's all I had available at that time. But now we have crackers, flower pots, sparkles, everything. Well guys, hope you guys like and subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Whoop!